Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm going to be making is something that's really good, really delicious if you've never tried it. It's Aloha Pepper Meatball Subs, my way. And these are very easy to make. They're really good if you never had these. And I'm going to show you the ingredients, what I'm going to be using to make them. I'll more than likely have this in 3 parts. The first part, I'll show you the ingredients. Second part, well, I'll show you how all this comes together for the cooking of it and baking of it. And the third part will be the finished product and the plating up. Very easy to do, not hard, and you make this in 10 minutes. I mean, that's how quick it is. But go ahead and show you what the ingredients you're going to need to make this. You're going to need some Aloha peppers. If you're not familiar with Aloha peppers, they're fairly new, but these are really good. They're really good, sweet. They got like a orange and yellow color to them, and they are really good, really sweet. They're a cross between a red bell pepper and a yellow. If you can't find these, you can use any type of bell pepper you want. You can use the green, yellow, red, purple, whichever kind you like. If you can't find these, I know these are kind of hard to find. There's only one store that I know of what carries them, and that's where I get them from. Going to need some meatballs. What I'm using is I'm just using the frozen meatballs. If you want to make your own, then feel free to do so. I mean, everybody has their own meatball recipe. My mother, when she was alive, made the best meatballs in the world. And I'm not joking. I have not tasted a meatball better than hers. And every time I'd go visit her in California, she would make me a big old mess of meatballs, and I'd sit there and I'd eat every one of them. I tell you what, I'd pig out. But I tried to copy her recipe, but I can't figure out. There's a couple ingredients I just can't figure out what she used. She went to her grave with the recipe, and so maybe I'll never figure it out, but they were just fantastic. Enough of that. You're going to need some sliced mozzarella cheese, some salt, some pepper, olive oil, and marinara sauce. And that's basically all the ingredients you need. Now what I'm going to do is at the end I'm going to kick it up a little bit my way, and I'm going to use some Parmesan cheese, oregano leaves, parsley, and basil leaves. And that's the way I'm going to do it. You don't have to do that at the end of the like the plating up of it, but that's what I'm going to do because that's the way I like it. And like I say, you can put on it whatever you like. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and hope you give this a try. I'll have a second video coming up, and y'all take care.